our resident facial exercise expert, Deborah.
Hi. Okay, so today we're going to talk about how to achieve a fuller lip and actually address some of the fine lines and wrinkles some of us get along the top of our lips as well. Now, just a little bit of background. As we get older, this muscle becomes smaller and tighter, and therefore our lips start to turn inwards, which gives us that thinner look. In addition to that, our lips are actually attached to loads of muscles in our faces. And as our faces actually become maybe more tense and the muscles become tense and shorter, that lip starts to sort of cave in a little bit. And that's where these wrinkles can form as well. And in addition to that, our lovely fascia, that lovely network of tissue that runs right through our body that keeps us upright and gives our body shape, can become quite tight and congested around this area, which again can cause some of these lines and for our lips to turn inwards. So today I'm going to show you a few exercises that are going to address these fine lines, the slight droop in the corner of the mouth, and an enablement therefore to give us a lovely fuller lip. And it's actually quite amazing the difference it can make and as quickly as it can make. So we're going to start off just by lengthening this muscle out, and it's a great one for actually working on your cheek muscles as well. So if you just take your hands, put the palms of your hands on your temple and the fingers on the top of your head, just allow those palms just to sink in very slightly and go up and backwards, and then wrap your lips around your teeth and just smile from the edge of your lip to the top of your ear. So we're going to do this, not this. So we're not actually squeezing our eyes, we're actually working on our cheeks. So here we go, hands on the side of our head, lips around our teeth, and smiling from the edges of our lips up to our ears for a count of 10. Okay, and then we're releasing. And what we're doing there, we're just starting to open that muscle out and give ourselves a nice cheek lift as well. Now what we're going to do, and you need to have clean hands for this. This is important because we're going to go inside our mouths for this next part. Now we've got this thing called a modiolus that sits on the corners of our lips inside, and it's actually the connection point for lots of our muscles. That can become really tight, and when it's tight, it can really cause a problem with making our lips look smaller. So I'm going to ask you to take your thumb, pop it just inside your mouth, and remember your hands do need to be clean, and you will feel like a bit of a lump. Can you feel that, Katie? It's like a little circular lump that sits here. You feel that?
Yeah, and when I massage slightly upwards, I feel it.
Right, so you just feel around for it. And what I'm going to ask you to do, just press into that just for a few moments and feel any areas that feel tight or hard. And by pressing into it, you're starting to release that muscle. Okay, so we're going to just press into that for a little while. Okay, and then we're just going to start massaging in small circular motions on that modiolus. Okay.
Just to clarify, Deborah, mine doesn't feel like a circle. Mine just feels like a strip of muscle.
Okay, that's fine as well.
All right?
That means yours is slightly more relaxed than other people's, but some people it's going to feel like a bullet.
Okay.
Other people it's going to feel a bit longer, but you're going to be able to feel that tightness.
Yeah.
That's what. So just keep pressing into it and massage it a few times. Okay, and you should start to feel it just open out slightly, and then you're going to take your thumb, and with this motion, you're just going to move up and down a few times, and where you can feel any lumps or bumps, just rest on those a bit and massage those as well. Okay, and then we're going to start from the inside of our mouth and come right up.
Like a scooping motion.
Okay. And can you see already? That's lifted that side of my mouth.
That's amazing. Oh my gosh, I can see it myself.
Yeah. So let's just quickly do it on the other side as well.
Wow.
So Press into the modiolus. And as Katie quite rightly said, sometimes it feels like a bullet, other times it feels like a strip of muscle, but you can feel it's tight and a bit held. So just press into that a few times. Okay. And for those of you who've got really tight modiolus, spend longer on it because you will really see the dividends. Okay. And then we're going to start just massaging up with our thumb on the inside, that slightly semicircular motion. Okay, and then we're going to go right down to the bottom and lift up. Okay, and so immediately you've got more of an uplifted mouth. Now what we're going to do, we're going to back inside our lips again, and we're going to start releasing that fascia, so that tight connective tissue that can feel a bit lumpy when it's held. We're going to start opening that out. So I'm just going to show you what you're going to need to do. You're going to take your thumbs, pop them inside your mouth, underneath your lips. Then you're going to hook your fingers over, okay, and then cut out. And you're going to stretch that muscle. Now, go heavy here. You need grip and you don't need to worry about stretching your skin because what you're doing, you're opening up that connective tissue. And as you start to do this, Katie, I don't know if you can feel it, but you might feel some lumps and bumps.
I can feel like little gristly.
That is your fascia that's got gristly and caught. So we're just going to really lovingly open that area up. So here we go. So if we just do this 10 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you should feel those gristly bits just beginning to open out of it, and 10. And then what we're going to do, we're going to open that lip out. And we're going to do that by, again, putting our thumbs inside our mouths and then really teasing that muscle down. So here we go. If you just watch me, so you're literally going to be moving along that lip and opening it out. Right along. Let's just do that one more time. Right from the end of your nose, right along that lip. There we are.
Wow.
It's a bit hard to see here.
Yeah,
but
I can see.
That lip has really opened out.
Yeah, it really
And then
has.
we're just going to repeat that on the bottom lip.
I was going to say I need to match up the box.
Yeah, like that otherwise.
Yeah.
So here we go. We're going to put our fingers, our index fingers in this time, have the thumbs on the outside, and we're going to do that same motion, but we're actually going to curl our fingers up, so we're encouraging that upturned lip. So here we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you should still feel those gristly bits, 9 and 10. And then you're going to finish off just by pressing round that lip, so you're encouraging the blood and the oxygen flow back into those lips.
Wow, I can really see a difference on your lips.
And because you've worked your lips, just pop a little bit of balm on at the end, which will just re-moisturise those lips.
Gosh, but mine feel pouty.
Yes, they
Feel
will, and they'll
like,
be a bit zingy.
Yeah.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
feel fuller. I don't know if they look fuller, but mine...
Yeah, they do. They do. And mine, I think.
Yeah. Yes,
yeah.
they do.
Yeah, so it's
Wow.
a really lovely exercise. You can do that every day. You can do it in the shower. You can do it as you're putting your moisturiser on, but you need a bit of grip. And don't worry about your skin, because the reason that lines form is because when our muscles and our fascia gets tight, our skin, which should sit nice and smoothly on our muscles, start to wrinkle. And that's what's happening around your mouth. So actually that lovely massaging movement means that they're going to open up and look nice and full.
So to see results, is it like you'll see an instant result and then you'd see lasting results the longer, like the more you do it over
Yes.
consistency?
This is a lovely exercise to get instant results. So it's a lovely thing to do if you're going out of an evening or you're just feeling a bit tight. But again, with any facial massage or exercise, the more you do it, the more that your muscle memory kicks in, the more that your muscles become relaxed and open, and therefore it will last for longer.
Brilliant, Deborah. Yet again, brilliant. We are so lucky to have Deborah with us. And over the years, we have filmed so many facial exercise tutorials. So if there is something that you need specific help with on your face, jawline, neck, hooded eyes, comment what you want help with and we will send you Deborah's exercise for it. It's all for free. Deborah kindly does this all just because you love sharing your expertise with everyone to lift us all, to make us all feel lovely. So please do comment and we will send it to you. Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. We'll see you soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye,
Cheerio.
everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye, bye, bye.